shake weight. What is a shake weight? The shake weight is a dumbbell where the weight bounces off the ends of the handle by the springs as it is shaken back and forth. The user performs this shaking motion in various positions to target the major muscles of the upper body, such as those in the chest, shoulders, and arms. The movement of the device is generated by the user and is not battery powered. Claims from the manufacturer. The revolutionary new way to shape and tone arms you'll love. The ad claims that the device is based on a completely new workout technology called dynamic inertia that ignites the muscles in your arms, shoulders, and chest. Thanks to that dynamic inertia, you can supposedly work out your entire upper body in just 6 minutes a day. The ad also says that studies at a prestigious California university prove that the shake weight increases upper body muscle activity by more than 300% compared to traditional shake weights. Evidence. Daniel Caprini, a professor of exercise and nutritional science at San Diego State University, says the device can definitely give a person a good workout and probably would tone, strengthen arms, and chest muscles, especially in people who are fairly new to strength training. People who already lift weights regularly probably wouldn't see much of a benefit, he says. Professor Daniel has some graduate students in his lab measure the muscle activity required to use a shake weight and compared it with standard curls with a dumbbell of the same weight. The ad claims that the shake weight did in fact require about 300% more muscle activity than the dumbbell. Does it work? The product does work, but a majority of people get too exhausted and struggle to do the full 6-minute workout without taking a break. The shake weight is used by shaking the weight in several positions for a total of 6 minutes. The shake weight is also a normal dumbbell and can be used for other exercises other than its own intended one. What are the benefits? This weight gives a very good arm pump and can use more muscles than just the arms when using it to work out. Side effects and threats to health. The shake weight doesn't have any effects that are negatively besides making you look kind of stupid while you work out. Pros and cons. This product is very convenient for taking to work, using it on a break, or anywhere where there's a limited amount of time to work out with. It also provides a decent workout. The cons? It's not really a traditional workout, not the same benefits as a 30-minute workout. Looks awkward when using it, and you cannot work out your lower body with it.